challenge is making character helicopters. So the first step in what you're making is you're going to measure an 11 by 3 rectangle, and you're going to mark off all of the measurements. So you'll mark off like the 10, the 9, the 8, the 7, 6, and so on for your measurements. Doesn't have to be exact, just kind of close. So there, it's not exact, but it's good enough. And then we're also going to measure 3 in the other direction. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to draw a line along this. So once you have your thing lined out, we're going to cut all along it. Doesn't have to be exact, just kind of close to the line. Now we have a cut, we're also going to draw along these 2 dashes that you made on the bottom. Once again, doesn't have to be exactly perfect, just pretty close. And we're also going to draw lines at the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We draw a line here. And we're going to draw a line at 7. So this is the 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here. Okay. Now we have all our lines drawn, we can start cutting. So we're going to cut on this side along these 2 outer lines, not in the middle. Now we have this, we're going to fold these 2 sides in. And then we're going to fold the bottom up about a centimeter, but like everything else in this video, it doesn't have to be exact. Then you're going to grab a paper clip. And you're just going to put that on there so it doesn't come off. And then, you're not going to use any of the lines for this last part. You're going to cut right down the middle until you hit that line that we drew earlier. And we're going to fold 1 each direction. It doesn't really matter which direction you fold them in because it's going to spin anyways. Since we have it folded, it should be good to fly. For competing in this challenge this week. Don't forget to post your results to Seesaw and have fun. Also clean up after yourselves and put everything back in the boxes.